In this episode, we look at the visual threat map and reports. Open the Threat Map tab. A world map shows attacks happening in real time. Each colored is a source IP attacker, sized proportional to alert count. Hover over a dot to see country, attack count, and common attack types. Lines between dots show attack flow toward your systems. Below the map is the top 10 attack sources by country. Switch to the Reports tab where you can generate weekly, monthly, quarterly reports for executives. Reports include alert summary, incidents, security score, and trends. Export to PDF, auto email to leadership.